I climbed from entry level to senior manager in just over 4 years in a global consulting company. 5 promotions, 1 level skip, and all within the same consulting firm. In this video, I'm sharing 4 lessons so that you can fast track your career too. Fresh out of school, I landed my first full-time job as an associate consultant specialized in financial services. Of course, it was long hours and a steep learning curve, particularly after school, where all your industry knowledge needs to be built. But my early wins allowed me to be on the fast track and eligible for international moves. So after 2 years in Paris in France, I relocated to Toronto in Canada. It was tough and exciting at the same time. New market, new challenges, not my native language, but I took it as a chance to prove myself. I skipped a level during the move. That was the moment I realized key tactics to fast track a career. Now, 5 promotions later, let me reveal the 4 key lessons I learned to fast track and get promoted fast. Lesson number 1, over-deliver consistently high quality work. My mantra since the beginning of my career has always been to make sure every deliverable was 10% better, cleaner decks, sharper insights and methodologies, better communication. And by delivering quality work consistently, I built a reputation of being someone reliable that will get the work done no matter what. And this, my friend, will open more opportunities than you'd ever expect. So focus on quality, not just speed. Too often I see consultants that don't pay attention to detail just for the sake of speed, and that's normal at the beginning of your career. You know, we want to prove that you can deliver quickly. And honestly, I was the same way when I started. It's a skill that needs to be sharpened and a key focus when starting off your career. Lesson 2, be more visible and dare to ask for what you want. A common misconception when it comes to career development is thinking that what I stated above, over-delivering quality work consistently, is enough to fast track and get promoted. Unfortunately, it is far from being the truth. Even though it is a prerequisite, there is something way more important: visibility at work. And often the ones who get to move fast aren't necessarily the best at doing their work. They are the ones who know how to get their work seen and make themselves irreplaceable. So focus on sharing your successes to key decision makers and leaders across your company. Personally, here's how I do it. I built a list of all my achievements, the date, a quick description, and the impact it has on the company. Each year during the performance assessment period, I discuss this list with the person I'm reporting to, as well as my objectives and action plans to move fast towards the next promotion. So now the action item for you: create an Excel spreadsheet, and every time you achieve something, you put it in with the structure we just discussed. Lesson 3, increase your skill set. I used to be quiet in meetings. I'm an introvert by nature. It means that advocating for my work has been challenging at the beginning in my career. However, I have been consistently forcing myself to speak up, talk more, and communicate better. I read books, bought online courses, read a ton of resources, and practiced a ton, which is, when I look back, the most important thing to do. Over a day, it doesn't change anything. Over a week, not much, but over 6 months, a year, if you are training consistently, you won't recognize yourself. So this is true for communication and also all other key critical skills needed to be successful in any career, like active listening and empathy, critical thinking, problem solving, proactiveness, creativity, etc. So after this video, sit down, pick the top 3 skills you want to develop to become a better version of yourself, build an action plan around it, and train it every day, even if it's only 10 minutes. For example, the top 3 skills I'm working on right now are leadership, active listening, and effective decision making to become a skilled leader. And plus, with AI now, it's super easy to create customized learning plan about anything. By the way, let me know if that's a topic you'd like me to touch on. Trust me, skills compound over time. If you are 1% better every day, at the end of the year, you're 34 times better than what you were at the beginning of the year. Lesson 4, consider internal mobility for growth. Moving to Canada was scary. I left all I had behind: friends, family, environment. Starting from scratch was the opportunity to reinvent myself and build the path I wanted. It was tough. However, I can confidently say that it is the best move I've done, both for my personal growth and my career. Usually firms rewards the ones who take on new challenges. And in this process, I managed to skip a level, which is exceptional. Honestly, I know leaving everything behind and moving countries is not for everyone. And if it's not for you, consider internal opportunities. Change function or business unit in your company. That can work too. So if you have the chance, courage, and willingness to do it, volunteer for mobility opportunities. They are career accelerators. You are proving that you are willing to take bold moves and get out of your comfort zone. It just proves that you have a growth mindset. To recap, in my fast tracking journey, I learned 4 key lessons. Over-deliver consistently with high quality work. Pay attention to details. Be the irreplaceable one. Be more visible. Don't rely only on high quality work. Learn how to showcase your work to leaders. They're asking for what you want. Increase your skill set. Aim for becoming 1% better every day, and the compound effect will skyrocket your journey. And consider internal mobility. Whether it's moving location or changing business units, career moves like this are usually great career accelerators. And that's it. 4 lessons for 5 promotions in 4 years. If you want more, grab my career acceleration guides in the description. It's free, and subscribe for weekly tips, and let me know what's one key lesson you have to share in the comments below. See you next time. Take care.